Here's a 6-inch Hampton Bay Air +2 ceiling fan hanging on a tree outside of my backyard. Where's a butterfly? There's a butterfly. Yeah, that's a ceiling fan. It just spins. Supposed to tape it. Yeah, it's really cool thing up here. Yeah, this does. Should reach the top of it. Here's the top of it. It's really hot outside. Yeah, the purple pencil. Yeah, that's the top of it. It sounds like it's small for a reason, cause I'm gonna hang it up on the tree. I'm gonna show a switch. I'm gonna show a switch. I will show the switch is.
Hey, you want to go with Danny? Well, Mama, I don't know.
I'm taking a video.
Oh, that's right.
I'm taking a
They
video.
left already. I don't even know.
Couldn't turn on. It's rat poison.
This was not even dressed yet.
There was spin.
She said she might get Candace to take a ride with her.
There's a switch.
She's coming. I just wanted to
I'm.
look.
Oh, this ceiling fan. It costs like $300, but I didn't put nothing on it. But it looks kind of cool with the blades. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.